Hello, welcome to this video about how to use the chat with Remedyforce support option. So now let's go to your org. Let's go to the Remedyforce administration tab. At the top you will see the option chat with Remedyforce support. If it is green, it means that an agent is available to take your chat. If it is grayed out, please check again in a few minutes. Here you need to add a brief subject of the question or the issue that you want to ask. Now let's click on request chat and let's wait for an agent to take our chat. Okay, so now we can describe a little bit more the question or the issue. In this case, I would like to know how can I make the staff field required for incidents. In this case, the agent can reply with a video, blog, or an article that can help you to answer your question. Or if the agent has more questions, he will let you know. In this case, the agent replied with a video and also with an article that will help me to answer the question that I asked. If you have more questions, you can put it on the chat. In case there's no more questions, you can end the chat, or the agent can also end the chat. Thanks for watching this video about how to use the chat with Remedyforce support option.